Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble my Union flag teapot box. So once you've cut everything out, you need to score and fold all of those score lines. Then taking these two main pieces, you can see that all the glue tabs are numbered. So you want to apply some glue to this hexagon here that says glue, and then stick the two pieces together, making sure that it's all lined up. Then you need to start with glue tab 1, which is this one here. Apply some glue to it and onto the small triangular tab next to it. Then attach them to the next side. Then do the same with glue tab 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now you should be left with glue tab 6 open. Next you need to take the two handles, fold those two tabs down, then glue the two pieces back to back. Then those two tabs need to be glued onto tab 6 like this. So make sure you're matching up A and B. And then tab 6 can be glued into place. Making sure that it's all lined up. Now for the spout piece, you need to fold it in half and fold that glue tab up, and then this needs to be glued to the inside. Then using your fingers, just curve the base outwards. This is going to make it much easier to glue it to the front of the teapot. Then apply some glue to the base of the spout and position it there just so that it looks good from the front, from the side and from the top. Then press it down firmly. Okay, next you want to take the two lid pieces. Now these two pieces are exactly the same, and just apply a little bit of glue to that small tab there. Attach the two pieces together. And what I like to do is just to curve those top pieces out slightly. This just gives it a better shape when it's finished. Then starting from the left side, you need to start tucking all of those pieces in underneath each other. And gluing that tab just to the inside, just to hold it all together. Then just spend a bit of time getting all of those pieces to meet evenly in the middle. Then you can just apply a little bit of glue in the middle there, just to keep it all together. Now for the rose that goes on top of the lid, you need to take the spiral piece, you need to start rolling it from the outside point. Now you may find that a pair of fine point tweezers or maybe a quilling tool will help you with this. Just keep rolling it, keeping it nice and tight. And you want to focus on that bottom edge, just trying to keep it straight. And when you get to the other end, or the middle of the spiral, just apply some glue to the end and try and get a little bit inside as well. And then hold it in place until it dries. Whilst that's drying, I'm just going to put the lid on. So you need to get one of the joins up at the top left there. So I'm just using the end of my pencil here just to make sure that's all pressed down in the middle. Then you need to glue the rose to the top of the lid. Just making sure that it's centered. And there it is, your Union flag teapot box is finished. Now here's a smaller one that I made just by reducing the size of the PDF before printing it out. And here's my Union flag teacup and saucer to go with it. So a link should be coming up for that now. So you could make your own little Union flag tea set.